Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to update plugin in WordPress. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you open your internet browser, head on over to WordPress.com. Once in WordPress, you will need to scroll down and then look for plugins. It has a plug icon. This one over here. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the plugins page. In here, it says flex your site's features with plugins. In here, search for update theme and plugins from zip files. And as you can see, the first search result is the exact one we're looking for and we're just clicking on it. In here, it's free, so tap on the button that says upgrade and activate. Just press the button this time. Once you tap on the button, it will automatically update the surrounding files. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.